Hi, this is just a quick unboxing of the Eufy Battery Video Doorbell 1080p grade resolution. I bought this online from johnlewis.com, which is a UK retailer. It was on offer with £20 off, so I paid £79.99 for this. It is currently out of stock. You can add in your email address and they will get back to you when it's back in stock. One of the good things of buying from John Lewis is that this item comes with a 2-year guarantee included. But one of the things missing online in the description is that this item also comes with a 16 gig free SD card. Right, let's just quickly open this up. Booklet, sticker, it's a step 4, quick start manual guide. Drop that there. There's a charging port there, sync button there. There's a QR code on the back to add the device. Your chime, it's already got the SD card attached in. There. There's also a QR code underneath my thumb, I guess to attach the device. Step 5. Step 4, the mount. There's your wedge if you want to angle it. There's the flat back. There's your UK plug. There's your European plug. Screws for the wall, or the brick wall, or the door. The ejector pin. Charging cable. It's in. Push down on the button, turn it again to release it. There you go. Thank you for watching. That's all, folks.